So friends, it's time for milking now. We're milking our cow. This is the milking machine, the original milking machine. So we are milking the cow in high speed, friends. You can see this, the fresh milk is coming. It's really good. Hard working job. What is he saying of the asteroids which fell? Are there any particles?
One cow milking hard job. Are 10 cow.
What? So there are na, so like this, at least one bed over. He managed to say I have to milk at least 20 cows. I am not doing it as a business. This is my hobby to do. This is my hobby because I want to spend money. I don't want to earn money. I want to spend all my money between these animals. It just need peace in your heart. No need to earn money or anything. Happiness. Thank you.